The SECUNORM 175 is an especially comfortable cardboard box opener from MARTOR. The safety knife is ideal also for a multitude of other materials. It weighs just 31 grams. The dual-sided slider can be used by left or right-handers. To cut, pierce, thumb away from the slider. At the end, the blade retracts. Here too, pierce, thumb away, cut. Plastic strapping band is best cut at a 45-degree angle. For pallet film, begin at the top and cut downwards. Cutting resistance ensures the blade does not retract too soon. Also, when cutting tape, pierce and apply pressure to the blade. Thumb away, cut. Important, never place your free hand on the cutting path. To cut straps, begin from the outside and cut, but never directly towards you. As always, thumb away to enable the blade to retract at the end of the cut. Safe cutting also means safe carrying, ideally using the MARTOR belt holster. Also, when removing lids, never cut directly towards you, even when blade retraction gives you reliable protection. A cutting depth of just 10 mm protects packaged goods. To cut a window in a box, pierce, thumb away from the slider, cut. Boxes intended for dispatch can have their volumes reduced by cutting them to the precise size. The SECUNORM 175 also copes well with multi-packed returns in incoming goods departments. Turn the blade around to get a clean cut. To do this, press the blade change button and pull everything backwards. The slider opens by itself. Important, do not touch the cutting edge. Always touch the blade at the blunt side. When inserting the blade, place exactly on the location lobes. Close handle. The slider closes automatically. Test by activating and store safely. When all 4 cutting edges have been used, replace the blade. Open handle and remove the worn blade. To dispose of in the used blade container. Only use MARTOR blades. Place the blade precisely on the lobes, and then close the handle and slider. Test by activating. Before cleaning the knife, remove the blade and place down safely. Tap out and blow out to remove dust and dirt. rest by activating and then return to the belt holster. Use our other media as well, for example, our safety poster. And follow the instructions in the user manual.